Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant composed of three amino acids: glycine, cysteine, and glutamic acid. It is naturally produced in the liver and plays a vital role in protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. When oxidative stress increases, it can contribute to various health issues, including cancer, heart disease, autoimmune disorders, and premature aging. As we age, our body's ability to produce glutathione declines, making it important to support its levels through diet. Factors such as alcohol consumption, stress, and toxins can further reduce glutathione production, so being mindful of these influences is essential. Fortunately, several foods can naturally boost glutathione levels. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and kale provide sulfur, a key nutrient needed for glutathione synthesis. Vitamin C-rich foods such as bell peppers, kiwis, strawberries, guava, and citrus fruits help preserve glutathione by neutralizing free radicals. Selenium-rich foods, including meat, fish, eggs, whole grains, and legumes, are also crucial for its production. Additionally, certain foods like spinach, avocados, asparagus, and okra naturally contain glutathione, directly replenishing the body's supply. Lastly, milk thistle, which contains the antioxidant compound silymarin, has been shown to enhance glutathione levels. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help maintain optimal glutathione levels and support overall health.